we put Christmas lights on the truck this year, and while it didn't disappoint, driving around at night with the stock headlight sure did. This is how I fixed it.
I found these lights on Amazon. They have really good reviews and a way better look than most of the generic LEDs you see on most trucks. There's a link in the description below. I'd start by removing the 4 screws that hold in the bezel. It's a little bit of a pain to work around the Christmas lights, but hey. Next up is the 4 screws that hold each retainer. They're a little rusty. Plug the new lights in and install the screws in the reverse order. Through some trial and error, I figured out you need to rearrange the wires in the connector for your brights to work properly, like so. Also, make sure to check the orientation of your lights before you install them, otherwise you'll be redoing it like I do here. Now for the best part, pull that film and the reveal.